Okay, now we're going to divide using that final strategy of partial quotients. And partial means that oops, I just spelled quotients wrong. Holy molasses. Let me fix that. I can't talk and spell at the same time, obviously. Okay, partial means we don't have the whole thing, and quotients is the answer to division. So what we're doing here is we are just finding little bitty parts of the quotient, little bitty parts of the answer, and then we're going to add those all up to get our whole quotient. Okay, we're going to use that same 273 divided by 3 that you have in your homework. And remember, when we write it, it kind of looks like that little house. This is what it looks like. Your divisor goes on the outside and your dividend goes inside. Now, we are going to write this much like your parents are used to writing, solving the algorithm. So we carry this over. The only difference is we're going to draw a big line here. It almost looks like a hangman. And I'm going to put PQ up here just to help me remember. Now, I'm going to ask myself, 3 times what gets me close to 273? Well, honestly, I could write out all my friendly numbers and do 3 times 10 is 30, 3 times 20 is 60, 3 times 30 is 90. Or I can ask myself, well, it's in the hundreds. Let's start kind of high. 3 times 100 is 300. Pretty close, but a little bit high. So let's knock 10 off that 100 and do 3 times 90. Well, 3 times 9 is 27. Bring that 0 over, and it's 270. Oh my goodness, I am so close. So I'm going to write that 270 here, because that's what I'm going to subtract. Now I have to ask myself, how did I get to 270? Well, I multiplied by 90. That's my first partial quotient. Now I'm going to subtract, and I have 3 left over. Well, I know that 3 is a multiple of 3. I know that 3 times 1 is 3. That's pretty easy. I'm going to use 3. How did I get that 3? 3 times 1. 3 minus 3 is 0. I'm done. There are no remainders. Have a party. And now all I have to do is add up these 2 partial quotients for my final whole quotient. And up here. All right. So I hope these help you out. Good luck. And let us know if there's anything else that we can help you with.